Hey Lobos, Ben Johnson here to show you how you could make a Google Meet for all of your classes for office hours on Friday or something like that. Anyway, there's all sorts of ways you could do this, but one way to do it is just to go into one of your Google Classrooms, click on the cog, scroll down to the Google Meet, just reset that like you might normally do. Copy that new Meet, and in fact you'll just want to reset it immediately afterwards so that you don't accidentally reuse that. Anyway, so we just copied that new Meet, and we can just make a new post on the stream and just basically say something like office hours Meet, and then we just paste that in, and then we can pick from this list all the other classes that we want it to go into. So I've got it in this class, maybe I'll put it in my practice class and this test, and then we'll just go ahead and hit post. And now this is in the stream of all my classes. I can always just move it to the top if I want to, and you could post it anywhere you want. You could post it in the classwork, wherever you think students are going to find it. And then this link will show up in all those classes. So if I go to my coffee cart class, there's that office hours Meet, and you can see I posted one previously, but really simple way to get a Google Meet in. If it gets stale and word gets out about it, students are making shenanigans, you could just go back into whatever class you want, go to the cog, just have this generate a new Meet. There's nothing, reset it, copy it. There's nothing special about that. It's just a random address, and then we can reset that, okay, for the actual class banner. And then again, either in the stream or the classwork, just paste that in with some instructions. Pick your classes that you want it to work with, post it, and it's really not difficult to make a new one of those each week. It could possibly cut down on some of the abuse that could happen otherwise. So I don't know. I guess if it was me, I might just put, here's the office hours we'll use this week. But if you prefer to use the one on a Google Calendar, that's okay too. This is just one technique that you could try. All right, hope that helps. Thanks for watching.